Good morning, children. Last class we see some of the commonly used cooking methods. Now we are going to see cooking habits. Okay. Okay. First one. Wash your hands with the soap before cooking. Wash your hands with the soap before cooking. Yes, whenever you start cooking, first wash your hands with the soap. Next, wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Yes, before cut the vegetables and fruits, you must wash properly. Next point, wash cooking vessels and knives. At the same time, wash cooking vessels and knife also. Next fourth point, don't cook food for a long time because it destroys the nutrients present in the food. Don't cook food for long time because it destroys the what? Nutrients present in the food. So don't cook long time. Next point. Don't use the same oil for cooking food many times. So this point telling don't use the oil again and again. Next point. Use the food items after the expiry date is not good for health. So this point told check the expiry date before you open the food items. Expired food items are not good for your health. So don't use the expired food items. So again I read out cooking habits. Wash your hands with soap before cooking. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Wash cooking vessels and knives. Don't cook food for a long time because it destroys the nutrients present in the food. Next point, don't use the same oil for cooking food many times. Using the food items after the expiry date is not good for health. Are you clear, children? Yes. Next one is the cooking utensils. Cooking utensils. Utensils are in different shape and size. What is the meaning of utensils? Utensils means vessels. So now we are seeing the cooking vessels. Okay. In your home, many utensils are there. Each and every utensils are different shapes and size. We use specific utensils for each cooking method. Yeah, each cooking method we use specific utensils. For example, if you make dosa, you use what utensils? Tawa, dosa tawa. Yes or no? So each cooking method we use different type of utensils. Next point, clay pots were used earlier. In olden days, people used what cooking utensils? Clay pots. But nowadays, people are using stainless steel and aluminum vessels are now generally used for cooking. Again, I repeat this one. Cooking utensils. Utensils are in different shape and size. We use specific utensils for each cooking method. Clay pots were used earlier. Earlier days, we used the cooking for clay pots. Nowadays, we are using what vessels? Stainless steel and aluminum vessels, generally used for cooking. Next one, cooking in clay pot. Do you know the clay pots and their benefits? Okay, now we see briefly. Okay, clay pots are well suited for all types of cooking. Yes, clay pots are suitable for all types of cooking. Cooking in clay pots improve the quality and taste of food and also retains the nutrients. If you cook in the clay pots, it improves the quality and taste of food and also the same time stores all the nutrients while we cook in the clay pot. The natural insulation properties of clay cause heat and moisture to balance and circulate throughout the pot and keep the nutrients unharmed and prevent the dish from burning. Naturally, we get the heat due to the clay pot, and it also circulates the heat inside the pot. So the nutrients will not be wasted when you cook in the clay pot. Are you clear, children? Yes. Next, benefits of clay pot cooking. Benefits of clay pot cooking. First point is easy to digest. If you cook in the clay pot, the food will be easily digest. Next point, preserve the nutritions. It preserves the nutritions. Next, needs less oil for cooking. While we cooking in the clay pot, it needs less oil. Adds flavor to the dish. Next point is what? Adds flavor to the dish. It adds the flavor to the dish. Keep the food warm for a long time. If you cook in the clay pot, the food will keeps warm for a long time. Next, keep the food from becoming stale soon. What is the meaning of stale? கெட்டு போகாமல் இருக்கிறது. Clay pots warm the food longer from the other pots. Clay pots warm the food longer from other pots, and clay pots keep the food fresh. Always clay pot keep the food fresh. Okay. Next, alkaline property in the pot neutralize the acidic property in the food. Naturally, the pot having alkaline property, so that it neutralizes the acidic property in the food. So again we recap the benefits of clay pot cooking. First point is easy to digest. The next one is preserve the nutritions. Needs less oil for cooking. Add flavor to the dish. Keep the food warm for a long time. Keep the food from becoming stale soon. Alkaline property in the pot neutralize the acidic property in the food. Next, sit down. Do you know? Solar cooker. It is the appliance which is used to cook food using sunlight. It saves fuel and reduces air pollution. Solar cooker helps to reduce our fuel cost and air pollution also. We cook the food for using sunlight, so it is called as solar cooker. Are you clear, children? Okay, children, today class over.